That's what I'm saying. Oh, that was you? No, that was him.
Sorry, I just had a yawn.
You good. I need the gold one. I got scared every time I do little stuff like that noise.
Why did you do that?
Yeah, I found it.
What? No, we're just stretching. No, I'm not a wild animal. Are you kidding? I don't need the bedding. Stop.
Look at this one.
Shiny alarm! Yeah, you more! Yeah, shoddy Omar. You know which one would be better for like machine price? Like $4
You definitely get more for your money on that one. It's the same stuff, right?
It's just orange cleaner and stuff, right?
Yeah. Yeah. I hope you go with the larger.
The larger one, it's only like $4 more.
No, that's like 6 you said?
Yeah, it's like 6.
And that's like 4.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that one? Alright, thank you.
Okay, thanks.
This one's a 2-year-old.
Ah!